Hello, I'm Peg Dean, Economic Development and Planning Director here in Southbridge. As many of you may know, the Town of Southbridge was recently awarded nearly $8 million from the USDOT's RAISE grant program. I'm here to tell you what this means and how it'll impact our Southbridge community. First, what's the RAISE grant and why Hamilton Street? Rebuilding American Infrastructure with Sustainability and Equity Grant, or better known as the RAISE grant, is a federal road surface project being offered by the Department of Transportation. In its first year, few towns throughout the country were applying for these funds. Mostly county and state agencies were pursuing this new money. Southbridge was one of those few. Though we scored high on our first application, we weren't chosen. After 3 tries, we were automatically brought in for this last round of RAISE grant funding for reconsideration. And thanks to our continually improved applications and advocacy from our congressmen and senators, we were awarded. Choosing a project that was going to be 100% funded was important, because we don't have excess local funds to use towards a large match. The RAISE grant allowed for 100% funding if the project's located in a historically disadvantaged area, as defined by DOT. Hamilton Street met that criteria, and as one of the larger infrastructure projects the town had been aware of for some time would need additional funding beyond our local funds to be able to reconstruct. It was therefore on my radar screen as a project that needed grant funding. What will this Hamilton Street project bring? With the grant funding, we're going to install lighting, crosswalks, improve traffic flow, repair and replace sidewalks, and improve drainage during this paving project. The project dovetails with the Transportation Improvement Program, or TIP, to reconstruct Central, Foster, Hook, and Hamilton Street. It's also adjacent to another TIP project to reconstruct the mill bridges, the River Crane Street construction starting soon, and the rail trail construction, which is currently being built, helping create real impact in our downtown. All of this will have an immediate reduction in the amount of blight we see downtown, decreased crime with the improved lighting, and overall improved safety. What's the timeline? First, we need to complete the full design for Hamilton Street before going out for construction. Also, the River Crane Street construction has to be complete before proceeding with the Hamilton Street project. Therefore, we anticipate moving forward with the design next year for construction to begin in 3 years. How do I stay informed with the Hamilton Street project? The town has a website called Civil Space. It highlights certain projects happening around town. By searching Southbridge Civil Space, you'll find our page and can subscribe for updates. I hope this video answered many of your questions or concerns you might have regarding this new opportunity the town has been awarded thanks to this RAISE grant. We look forward to revitalizing our great town of Southbridge and making our community safer for everyone. Thanks for watching.